hard objects and all feet about a yard off. The players need to be able to come off the field without getting hurt. I also don't want to get tripped. Appreciate it. Thank you.
Good grief.
Let's go, Ely!
Alright, we should have sound. Hello, hello, hello. Nope.
Will be.
There we go. Ball back Griffin.
Let's go, Ely!
Hey, our license. Okay. Alright. Live stream should be out. Trav, if you want to tell you, it should be out.
Okay, yes, sir. I already told everybody.
Right.
Thank you.
Go 21.
Let's go, Max. Follow off, Max. Follow that guy off.
Another gallon in there.
Trick it.
Oh yeah. They be here? Yeah, they're
I shouldn't have done that. Why did I do that?
Go, Jimmy.
Let's go, Jimmy. Oh, nice pass.
There we go, boys.
Wow.
Let's go!
Maxie, let's go.
Run ball here, Jay.
Let's go north. Get that ball, Jordan. Gotta want it.
There you go, Max.
There you go.
Mike, come help him. No, Maxie. Go help him, Max.
Yes, Jackson, scoop it.
what are you doing?
Relax. Okay, Mike, you relax the ball.
Be there, 11. Be there, 11.
Get it through! Okay.
Pull it out, Mike. Get in. Yes.
Go, Jordan! Push it!
Stay on the backside. Don't come off the backside.
Jordan, Jimmy's in behind you.
Here we go, Hauser.
Oh, Jimmy.
Come on, Colin, get that.
That's you!
You got it, Colin, right through it. Yeah, Colin, you're on it. Let's go, kid. Yeah, let's go, Colin. That's a big Colin. Maxie, just settle the ball. Let's go, kid. Come on.
There we go, D!
Yeah, they just got
Damon. Don't over pursue.
Spence.
Great time, buddy. Nice job. Way to track, D. Way to track.
Is that Aiden? Good
Yep.
job, Aiden.
Yeah. Nice.
Draw balls!
Come on, Milo.
Gotta be black!
Someone get out.
Gotta be black!
Yeah.
Damon!
Watch your back.
Yeah!
Boys, let's go.
Good check!
Milo, get in the hole.
Rico!
And watch the cutters. A lot of cutters.
Get in. Get in the hole.
Milo, who you got, Milo? A lot of cutters.
Nope.
There it is, boys. Good job.
Don't get lost on the backside, Milo. Milo, watch the cutters.
Move your feet.
Get there, Milo.
Yes, Bogo! Oh.
Good chase.
Just use your legs, Milo.
Look out! Number 6 over here.
One on, he's an attackman. Tie, move. Rocco, come over here. We're going to keep you over here. We're going to let you back in. Just put you in. Lock your feet.
Coming quick, D!
Good, Peter.
Oh, yeah, go.
Come on, Porter. Come on, Porter. On a stick, bottom hand.
Nice play, Peter.
Keep him out, Bert. Keep him out. Yeah, there we go.
Failure to advance.
I know, why didn't we get in?
Run, Porter.
Watch your back, Porter.
Get in, Colin, get in the hole.
There you go.
Good. Birch, go, Birch.
Touch. Get the touch.
Oh,
Go, 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 guys. We got man up. Quick, we got man up, quick.
Checks out, checks out. There you go, Colin. Broke it quick, dude.
Mr. Official, whenever you get a chance, just check the table. It's 1-1.
Yeah, that's not the official score.
It's not the official score. Okay.
Maybe sure. We've seen.
Backside. Get there, Mikey!
That's not going out. Nice. Woo. Settle it down, man.
Good match, Adrian. Yes! Let's go, boys! Hey, let's go, Maxie. Spencer, listen to me. Don't run that way. Run behind him. So if you're not upfield, we just need you downfield. Yeah.
Just run straight.
Run straight to his butt.
Go 16! Go Maxie! Go Maxie! Let's go, Rap.
Let's go. Hey! Corbin, relax. You got them coming from the box, Corbin. Work back to the box. Yes! Nice right arm behind his back. He's not allowed to do anything but left. Maxie, let's go, man.
Come on, Mafia!
Come on, Rob.
I know.
Let's go, ladies.
Go, Maxie. You got it.
I think the goalie was.
Let's go, Spence. Let's go,
Spencer, same thing. Right to his butt.
Do it again.
Go, Henry.
Rip it, Maxie.
Go, Maxie.
Yes, Maxie, wait, whoa. Come on, Gio.
Good. Scotty. We need it.
Go down.
That's Henry. Pass it. Henry.
Come on, Max. Come on.
All good, Christian. Let's go, boys. Ground balls.
Forget what I said, Spencer, you know what I'm saying? Just
As
stay
was
in
wine
there.
here is like, no, no, no.
Let's go, Aiden. All right, now we know. Go early.
My body. Good job, Maxie.
Good job, Max.
They have too many pulls on. No, they don't.
Don't just throw it. Come on.
They had their
Get in the hole, boys.
Get in the box.
Touch the ball.
Get in the box. Box.
Keep him out.
Keep him out.
Keep him out.
Body, body, body.
Okay, watch the cuts, boys. Here we go.
Yes.
I passed the
Bird,
ball.
come back, Bird.
Come on, David.
Up, Damon.
Stand on.
You're one on and go. You're okay. One more.
Go, Jimmy.
Get open.
Milo, hole, Milo.
Go.
Hey,
Go,
stop
Henry.
early, Milo. Stop the ball early. Stop it early. Don't chase stick.
Yes, there we go. There we go.
Midi on the ball. okay, you're okay, Bert. You're okay. You're all right. You're all right. Down, down, down.
Good job, good job.
Come on, Barry.
Pittman.
Come on, guys. 3 on 1.
Gotta
Let's
win
go.
that ground ball.
That can't happen.
Let's go. Nice ground ball, 23.
Good job, Kale. Let's go.
Cutters, Milo. Watch the cutters.
Dodging, dodging.
Let's go.
Let's go, boys. Let's go. You got 21?
Showing about a million and a half. Show about a million and a half.
Oh, you don't know. Ground balls, buddy.
You got a ball again.
I had one man to beat on that last one.
Let's go, Maxie. Go, Max. Laying on him. Pick it up. Porter, take your time. Take your time, Porter. You got the box.
They're coming.
Move the ball.
Guys, go help him.
Good job, Porter. There you go.
Right.
There we go. Make it count.
I'm gonna call it. Good job, Jackson.
See that, Hauser?
Right, keep it on, keep the pressure.
Milo, get high.
Right, man up.
Barron, you're an attackman. Can't cross like yesterday. There we go.
He's like towards the end too, and then he kept like, he didn't know, like, oh, and he tried to like run off. We're like, no, stay on. But then the coach was trying to switch him out.
I do remember that.
How's it going? Buddy. 3-3.
Yes,
Oh,
kid!
now we're losing 4-3.
Yo, Adrian!
Hey, buddy.
So we lost our first game of the day, so
Maxie,
we
let's go,
had
kids.
some constellations. And then
Let's go.
from that,
What are we at time-wise?
I don't know, maybe a minute. Not much time, I don't know. I don't know exactly.
This guy is so bad.
Come on, Maxie, let's go.
I think we started at 40. About like under a minute with my guess.
It's not even after there.
Go, push it!
Yes, good job, good stick, good save.
Let's go, Jimmy!
Why Spencer coming off? Run D, Milo.
The ball's down there.
Watch the cutters. Good save, Christian. Get up.
Good save.
Get up.
Yes. Hey, that's us.
Number up. Talk, boys.
Good job, Carl. Way to come hard.
Come on, Rocco, make something happen.
Oh. Trip!
Run, Milo. Run, Milo. Milo, run with him.
Right here.
Go
up.
away!
Coming to
Look
him.
up.
Beat him, beat him.
Yes.
Yeah! Keep going, Jack. Get in the box. Keep going. There's not much time.
Don't get close to the line. You can, Gary, you can 12 years you haven't made a play. Check back, Jackie. Don't start now.
And a boy. Oh, clean it up. Clean it up.
Yes!
Way to stay focused.
What happened?
Time, right at halftime.
No, again? That was
Freaking halftime.
halftime?
That's
That's
the
a 30.
But we had the ball.